confession to make. I love makeup more than, than anybody. I made the mistake of going into Ulta for one thing, and I came out with more than one thing. See this bag? You see how big this bag is? Well, I didn't go that crazy, but I came out with count them, 4 eyeshadow palettes. Like I need another eyeshadow palette. I don't. Anyway, while I love makeup, doing it on camera, not so much. It intimidates me. But I'm gonna push through, pick one of these eyeshadows, and we'll do it together. Let's hope it comes out good. Now, I chose out of the 4, they're all from ColourPop, and I chose out of the 4 peach jelly. So, this is pretty. I like it. Forgot to put on powder. So, this is it. The final look. And let me know what you think. Now, I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just somebody who loves makeup. And this is what I did with the ColourPop. What's it on my teeth now? The ColourPop. I told you what they were, but I didn't show you the inside, how pretty they are. So this is what I had on, what I put on. And I'll show you the others. This is the nude. Is it nude mood? Yeah, that one. And I haven't tried this one yet, but this is the Soul Elemental, and it's like blue and grays, bluish purples, bluish, no, not bluish purples. What am I talking about? Anywho, yeah. And this is the Feeling Bubbly, which I told you was also in the nude family. So I'm gonna try those on as well. So how do you think I did on camera? Because I don't like that. I was just giving y'all little snippets. This is not a little makeup tutorial. I was giving y'all little snippets of what I do. And the eyelashes, child, this left eye is still not right. But anyway, it is what it is. So anyway, I used the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin blurring thing. I use this as my primer. This is also Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin, glow serum. This, yep. These two are the holy grail. She is something else. And this is what I use in the summer. I use this NYX buttermilk glaze in the color toffee. Child, I can't see. Yeah, toffee butter. So this is what I use in the summer because it's just like a tint, and I love it. And the lipstick was from the Lip Bar, and it was the Rich Auntie. Love that. So anyway, that's it, and I hope you join me again. Come back and enjoy Linda's Life in Color. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.